Hey guys, Adriana has me moving all of our office supplies since we're gonna donate this whole space. She has me moving it. So we are gonna move it behind this desk back here. We've got staples, we've got pins, we've got little stabby thingies, I forgot what they're called. And then we got our tape dispensers back there, some extra headphones, some tape, stuff like that. So we're just trying to keep it neat and organized. That way we can see everything. When you bend down, you can see everything that's in there, and you can tell that, hey, I need staples. Clips are gonna be right there. I haven't put them up there yet, but yeah. All right, guys, so this is the finished workspace station, the supply station set up. So these binders right here are completely empty, new, ready to use. These are all of our binders that are in use. Again, all of the office supplies, all the miscellaneous items, and we still have a full table working space.